Hi guys, myself Prashant Wakhare from ASSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. Today I am going to discuss discrete mathematics concept, Warshall's algorithm. So in this session I am telling how we can solve Warshall's algorithm examples by using certain steps. Before going to discuss the Warshall's algorithm, we should know the closure of relations. Depending upon the nature of relations, there are mainly three types of the closure of relations. One is the reflexive closure, second one is the symmetric closure, and third one is the transitive closure. So to find the transitive closure of a relation by computing various powers of relation or product of the relation matrix is quite impractical for large relations. So Warshall's algorithm give an alternate method for finding the transitive closure of relation. So Warshall's algorithm is a practical and efficient method. So there are the three steps to find the transitive closure by using the Warshall's algorithm. So first step is first we have to find out the mod A. Your mod A will be suppose the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are the 4 elements. Then the mod A, it will be the 4. Then we require the W0, W1, W2 up to Wn Warshall set. And your W0 will be the relation matrix of the R, that is the MR. Step 2, to find the transitive closure of relation R on set A with mod A equal to N. So there is a procedure to compute the WK from the WK minus 1 is as follows. So there are the three steps. So copy first all the entries in the WK from WK minus 1 where there is a 1 in WK minus 1. Then secondly, find the row numbers like P1, P2, P3 for which there is a 1 in columns K in WK minus 1 and the column numbers Q1, Q2, Q3 which there is a 1 in row K of WK minus 1. Marks entries in WK as a 1 for the PI, QI if there are not already 1. And last step is stop the procedure when the Wn is obtained and it is the required transitive closure of the relation. We will more clear. So see these examples. So in the given examples, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and your relation is the x, y oblique x minus y equal to 2. So first step you have to find out the mod A. Here your mod A will be the 6 because in the set there are the total 6 elements and your relation will be the 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 6, 4 that line. Because the relation is they have given your relation should be x minus y equal to 2. Yeah, y minus x it should be 2. So therefore I have selected here all these pairs. Their answer suppose 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4 it will be the 2. Then second step, we have to find out the Warshall sets. So there are the total 6 elements in the set, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to find out the all W0, W1, W2, W3, W4, W5 and W6. And your W0 will be relation matrix of R. So we have just find out. So this first set the W0 is the same as the MR, which is shown in below. So this is the matrix. Then for the second step 2, you have to select these first rows and the first column, and only you have to write consider the first column and first row in column C1. If you see, this is the column C1, so there is the only one in the third row means R3. So therefore I have written here the one is present at R3. And in a row R1, if you select, this is the row R1, so there is the only one present here, the C3 column. So therefore the one is present at the C3. So this is the C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, and this is the R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, and R6. Then thus, if you find this one is the present is the R3 and one is the present as the C3, add new entry in a W1 at R3, C3, which is given below. So if you see, so this is the R3, C3, this is the my third row and this is the third column. So I have put it here the 1. Once your W1 is done, then you have to find out the W2. Same process, similar process you have to apply. Select the second row and the second column. And similarly, second row and second column, you have to find out where is the 1. So in the C2, one is the present at R4 and R2, one is the present at C4. So this is the R4 and C4. So this is the C4. So therefore I have written here this one. Then to find out the W3, you have to select the third column, third rows. Similarly, for the W4, you have to find out you have to select the column number 4 and column row number 4. So you have to apply the same process till your last step, that is the W6. And to find the W6 from W5, we consider the 6 column and 6 row, and you see 6 is present at the R4, R2, R4, R6. If you see, this is the R4, R2, R4, and this is the R6. And if you select the R6, that is the row number 6. So see here the C2, here the C4, and here the C6. So you have to add these new entries in the W6. And if you done all this process, then you will realize, so some of the numbers mean the Warshall sets W6 equal to W5 equal to W4, and W6 is the relation matrix of the R, and it will be your relation. So this is the 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, that like. Thank you.